What's up guys, it's Sean from Craft Elements, and in this super short video I'm going to tell you about our super extra large gigantuous router templates. So we had a couple of customers ask if we have extra large stirring board templates. Now a couple of our popular designs, organic handle, our free flow, and our warp rectangle, we've decided to make an extra large version, so 30-inch tall version. So we've got our 30-inch by 12 free flow extra large. We've got our warped rectangle, which has two handles here. We also are going to have molds of these guys. In addition, we're going to have a 30 by 12 inch mold of our organic handle serving board mold, which again is a very, very popular design. So 2 new templates, extra large, 3 new molds, which aren't on our website yet. The templates are, but the molds aren't. They will be coming within the next week or two. But if you want to make some ginormous charcuterie boards for the charcuterie board insanity selling season that's coming up now, templates and eventually molds at craftelements.com. See you later, guys.